Hello everybody. Hello, thank you so much for following us on this channel. um, I got a question from one of my follower in this channel. I don't want to mention his name, but I think he when he will understand, or when he will listen to my video, is going to know who was. And he requested me to explain you, also to tell you about the module called supply chain management. So I decided to give you like an overview of that module, and in my next video I may go into some of modules in that in that area, so to explain you some of the big functionality of the supply chain management. So let me start by saying that one of the module that is really being used in this in supply chain management is the product information management. So in that product information management is the place where you're going to create a product, you're going to design a product, and then manage that product, and specify if that product has to be released from from the main company to other companies, etc. So today I'm not really going to focus on the product information management, but I'm going to share you the actually the overview of that module. So the dynamic D365 supply chain management offers a comprehensive suite of capabilities to streamline supply chain operations. So some of the key features are supply chain planning. So you plan, you optimize inventory, you optimize the demand forecasting, and production planning. So you plan your production, you plan your inventory, you optimize your inventory with the supply chain planning. Another one is the procurement and the sourcing. Uh, the procurement sourcing helps you to manage supplier and also the supplier relationship, and you can create your supplier, you can manage a supplier, you can communicate to supplier, you can send to your suppliers the emails, or can also create a kind of portal that links you to your suppliers. And also this procurement sourcing will help you to like to orders items to from your suppliers and other processes. Number three of the key feature is the manufacturing and the shop floor management. Manufacturing and shop floor management. So that one is control the production process. So the quality of your production and the work orders. So you want to control the process of production. You want to control the quality of your production. You want to control your work orders to create your work orders. Then you use that feature. Another feature, friends, is about order management and the pricing. So you know, pricing is very important when you want to handle sales order. You want to sell items, you want to sell things. To know you need to determine the price, how much you're going to sell the product but you are manufacturing, or the product you bought from another vendor. So the pricing and the customer commitment. Okay. Another feature is the warehouse management. Okay, the fulfillment. So the warehouse management is about managing inventory. So the inventory, how you go to inventory, and then you're gonna manage where you store your items, the picking and the shipping. So that module is very important to manage the warehouse. So in my next video, probably I may show you the the video about like creating an inventory and creating a warehouse, something like that. Asset management and maintenance. So the management maintenance is you bought item, you have an asset, you have equipment, and this one is going to help you to maintain your equipment and assets. So if we explore into the deep of these features, we're going to see that there is really a benefit of planning or demand forecasting. So forecast your demand and do the planning. So the company uses D365 to analyze historical sales data and is going to predict demand and plan production accordingly. So this is going to ensure that optimal inventory levels and is going to reduce excess of stock. So when you plan very well, when you plan very carefully, is going to ensure you that you reduce excess stocks. Another one is the supplier collaboration. It is always interesting to collaborate with your supplier. So communicate with them. So if there is a payment to be made, then you can pay them, or you can order the items you need to you from your vendors by getting the best price or best discount. So the company, you can negotiate contract, you can manage orders, and you can track also deliveries. So when you get deliveries, then you can track them in real time. So the supplier collaboration is very important in supply chain management. So this is going to improve supplier relationships and reduce lead times. There is another benefit of this model is the quality control and the compliance. The quality control during manufacturing, the company uses D365 to monitor quality at each stage. If a defect is detected, it triggers corrective action. So compliance with industry standards also is ensured. So the quality control also is provided in this module. Warehouse efficiency. So how efficient is the warehouse management? So D365 optimizes warehouse operation. It suggests efficient picking routes. So you got the picking routes where you pick things and it gives you the route. You can create the routes. It's going to manage inventory storage where you can store the inventory and automates replenishment. So the replenishment is mean that when you can say, okay, this is a minimum item that I have to that is needed or required in my inventory. So if you allow that limit, then the system is going to do a replenishment automatically. So the that one is really also interesting. Service maintenance, another module called service and maintenance for device already in the market. The company uses the 365 to track warranties, manage repairs, and schedule preventive maintenance. So this enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. So loyalty is very important. Customer satisfaction is very important. So the service and the maintenance is going to help on this one. Real-time insight. So D365 provide dashboard. So you have to get dashboard, you have analytics, and the company can monitor production efficiency, inventory turnover, supplier performance, data-driven decision lead to better outcomes. So remember, this is just an example. So there are a lot of things we can say about the D365 supply chain management, but is going to adapt it to various industry in this scenario. It's going to support the organization in their end-to-end supply chain processes. So, as I promised, next time I will do a video. Um I will start by managing a product, and from that product, and we can go and see how we can store that product, how we can order that product. So order the product, receiving that product, and storing that product and selling that product. I think that's going to be a good process of really a real time interaction in Dynamics 365. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. So next time, please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.